Hi everyone, this is Oladi Sidayo. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download videos on YouTube using your Android mobile phone. But before we get into that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button, and we will now go into how to download your YouTube videos. Maybe you say interesting funny videos or tutorials you want to download using your Android phone. So you follow these steps as I'll be showing you in this video. So the first thing you will need is an Android app called VidMate. Yes, VidMate. That is the Android app that is going to do all this magic for us. So from my screen, I'm clicking on the VidMate because I already have it installed on my phone. So I will leave a link for you to download the VidMate in the description to this video. So the first thing you are going to do is to download the VidMate, install on your phone, then you open it. So once you open it, you can search for YouTube videos from here. Let's say I want to search for funny videos. So I'll search for it. Okay, so I've seen this funny video. So I've seen this. So once you see the search results, you will see the download arrow close to it. You see download arrow. So all you have to do is click on the download arrow beside any of the videos or funny videos that you found interesting. So I think I want to see this. Click on it. So once it comes, play it. Once click on it, it will show you the size. Okay, you choose the size. The video type maybe is 144p, 240, 360. Since 360p is just 20 megabytes, I will choose that. But you can choose other qualities as you find suitable or applicable for you. So I'll just download this 360p for now, and I'll click on download. So it will show the number of download here. So if you click here, you can see the video downloading already. It is downloading. It's downloading already, as you can see. So that is how the VidMate works, and it's a very cool app. You can download it. I will leave the link in the description to this video. You can easily download and install on your phone, and you start enjoying free YouTube video downloads. So once the download is complete, I'll show you how to re-upload this back to YouTube. If you want to re-upload back to your own channel, it's quite easy to do. Okay, the download is now complete. You click these three dots beside the video that you just downloaded, and click it. So this. Okay, once you click that, you can see share. If you want to share back to YouTube, still share. You click more, and you see the app here. YouTube video with other guys, and upload back to YouTube. So See you in the next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.